Let's have a little moment. Well, today is not technically my birthday. It's in like 2 days, but I was craving a cake, so we're gonna have it now. It's okay, right? We still can have a little moment here. Here's the first realization. Appreciate every moment that you have, because there will be a last time for every moment, and you might not always know that this is the last time when you are in it. So here's to appreciating every moment that I'm gonna have in my life. Let's go. Happy birthday to me.
Do not define people. And what I mean when I say that is, people can change their likes, their dislikes, their feelings, their emotions, their priorities. Everything can change. And thus, if we have these rigid definitions of who they are and what we mean to them, it is us who's going to be disappointed when these definitions aren't fulfilled. Thus, rather than painting a picture of what you mean to them and what you are to them, or how important or how special you are to them, I've decided to just learn about them, to be more curious. Because when I'm curious, I have space. I have space for new things, for things to change, for things to be differently. The whole world does not revolve around me. Social media, marketing, and everything around us makes us believe that we are the center of everything. But in reality, we are not. We are so small and insignificant among millions of other humans. Everything is not about me. And when I realize that, I start taking things lightly and I let go of things easily, and my problems feels so tiny compared to this giant world.
Begin. Take me back to.
Forgive like a child. We adults, we never truly forgive someone. We say that we are forgiven, but then we tend to point out all their mistakes someday in future over an argument. And I myself used to do that. But that's just so stupid. If you truly see, there are just two things. Either you forgive or you don't. This whole third way of forgiving someone and then pointing out all their mistakes and sarcastically commenting about it, it's just so stupid, right? So, yeah, if you want to forgive like a child. Just forgive and forget. Embrace uncertainty. Like, we all want things to go exactly the way we planned, and when they don't, we get disappointed, and that's fine given that that is a normal human reflex. But then, I've started treating these more like a plot twist. And if we see, it's these uncertainties that makes our life so much more interesting and fun and spontaneous. It just keeps the element of surprise alive, or else our lives would have just been so boring. The way you planned, exactly the way things happen, and there's nothing new, right? So I've started embracing these little twists and turns of my stories rather than being all mad about it. Please keep reminding yourself that there is no forever. The fact that I am not here on this planet forever. And it's important because when we realize that whatever we have will be gone one day, that's when we value it the most, right? The life that we have, the people whom we love the most, eventually will all come to an end. So stop being so calculative and love them as if there is no forever. For so long, I thought that routines are boring and mundane, and if I want to be one of those cool people, I shouldn't really be following a routine. But in reality, we all are following some or the other kind of routine, knowingly or unknowingly. And if we see, routine is equals to consistency, right? So in order to attain some goals and to achieve something, we need a good routine. So yes, rather than complaining and getting mad over Monday mornings, let's start enjoying them. Every time I'm impatient in life, I have learned to just pause and ask myself, why am I in such a rush to get through life? And everything then is just so much more calmer, Probably because, it just gives a much more wider perspective to it, I guess. But anyhow, it works. It works. We all are chasing things and people that we don't have in our lives. And in that rush, we have completely forgotten of what we have and how precious and priceless that is. So every once in a while, it's nice to just acknowledge what we have. Because when I'm grateful for these little things, oh boy, the whole world seems so different. The most boring and mundane things can be fun with your kind of people. A few months ago, me and my friends went trash picking, and everyone agreed upon that idea without arguing in the first go, without any second thoughts. And trust me, it was so fun. Come on! A very random realization how few of our days we actually remember, and how likely I'm not going to remember this day 20 years from now. At the end, it's not how much they loved you that you'll regret, it's how much you did not. So, be the more loving one, the more caring one, the more supporting one. Be the one who gives it all.
Sometimes you gotta dig for the gold.